Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 15 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Spigen Rugged Armor case for your 15 Pro. It has MagFit in there, so it's going to have that MagSafe capabilities on there. If you want to check out other cases from Spigen for the iPhone 15 Pro, look in the description or look in my iPhone 15 Pro playlist. I have a few cases from Spigen that I have reviewed already. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have links in the description. Like we normally do my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it add bulk? The overall fit of the case? Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet? Do you get camera protection? Do you get the lip action you want for your display? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But that's enough of me talking. Again, if you don't know the packaging, oh well. I'm not going over the packaging again, but it is what it is. Here is the case. It's not going to show off the beauty, but it has extra grip. As you can tell, these sides have extra grip on both sides. Then the back is also like a textured pattern. You have a little carbon fiber design there. You have a logo in here, some like cushions on the top and bottom, even on the corners too. So some shock absorption there. Alright, so you do get camera protection, not much though, but you get some. I wouldn't slam the phone down too hard on something rocky, but you do get some protection there. Same thing with the front. The Spigen cases this year have less lip action around the normal cases, but you also can get the easy fit screen protector, which I have on, and it gives you the protection you look for too. Everything lines up at the bottom. You can see the corner protection here and all the way around. Let's check out the buttons. The power button feels nice and tactile. That's pretty cool. Volume rockers are the same way, nice and easy. You don't have to like really press in too hard. The action button is nice and easy to press. And I love how they make it a different size too. All the manufacturers are. They're not overdoing the action button, so that way you know which one you're pressing right away. The main thing for me is the grip on this case feels really good. You're not going to drop your phone like other cases that you may have. It doesn't add bulk. You can see the corner protection, so if you're dropping your phone, you're not going to worry about breaking it or destroying it because you have those protections there. You can see them all the way around the case. You know, let's see how this thing fits. I mean, it fits pretty good around the top and bottom, a little loose around the cutouts, but I mean, it is a rubbery surface, so it's going to stretch a little bit. Same thing around the sides, but they come back. Can you take the case off easily? Not easily. There's some, you know, restrictions there. So it's not going, well, like I just dropped it, the phone is not going to just pop out the case, which is very important too. Now, the last thing, can you wireless charge and how strong is that magnet? It passes the Forest Tech Reviews test. And that magnet is really strong too, look. Okay, it is really strong on there. They have improved on their MagSafe capabilities with the magnet. It's definitely stronger than other cases I even use for, say, the S23 Ultra. And you can wireless charge, as you can tell there too. So the magnet is really strong. Let's go over the case. So you have extra grip. The power button and the volume rockers are all nice and easy. You do get some camera protection, some lip action around. Doesn't add bulk. Overall, this is a nice case for your iPhone 15 Pro. If you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.